Hello, everybody. This is X from YIJING House, and I'm back with the series Bazi for Career Success. And today, I will be sharing on the specific day master for Earth, namely U and T. By the way, I am a Earth Day Master myself, and if you have Earth as your Day Master, or even your family or friends, okay, please pay attention to it. So, firstly, let's talk about a strong day master. So, if you are a strong Earth day master, you will be suited to work in the following industries: government, military, financial, hardware, automotive, legal, FMCG, logistics, aquatic, and also metaphysics. Secondly, let's talk about the roles you are more suited in. It can be sales, operational roles, creative roles, management roles, and strategic planning. And if you are thinking to start a business or be your own boss, you can actually do it. Next, we move on to explore a weak Earth Day Master. A weak Earth Day Master will be suited to work in the following industries: energy, oil and gas, entertainment, pharmaceutical, real estate, cultural, F&B, telecommunications, startups. As for roles you are more suited to take on, roles that are suited for planning, PR, procurement, HR. By the way, you are more suited to be an employee rather than an entrepreneur or boss. Hate to disappoint you, and you are also more suited to work with teams than individually. So, I hope you have a clearer picture on the industries and roles that are more suitable for you. By the way, I want to highlight that being in the right role and industry does make your path easier, but it doesn't mean you cannot excel in other roles or other industries. As working adults, we are always able to pick up new skills, new experience, even in the wrong industries and roles. So don't be too disheartened if you realize you are not in the right industry and right role. Remember the cosmic trinity. You still have the man parts where you are in control. Also wanted to put forth a disclaimer here. These are more generic readings and there may be exceptions depending on the actual puzzle itself. So, this is the end of today's lesson. Next week, I'll be covering the Day Master for Metal. So, stay tuned. I hope you liked the video today and you have learned something. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye. Know your fate, master your destiny.